Google. How big it is, what is its potential, you might not have an idea. Millions of people use Google every day, but most of them don't use Google to its full potential. So today I'll teach you 10 tips and tricks on how to use Google more effectively and efficiently in your daily workflow. I've been using these tricks on a daily basis for a long time. I'll also include some new tricks that I just learned recently. Searching by file type is a great way to search for a particular file, especially for students, professors, or anyone conducting research. Here's how it works. First, type your search term. I'll write Tesla, followed by file type, then a colon, and finally type your file type. As you can see, it gives you only PDF results. Similarly, if you type doc, it'll give you Word file results. The file type search works with any extension. Using operators is also a great way to narrow down your search. Operators such as plus or minus signs help you to include or exclude terms in your search results. For example, I search for Elon Musk followed by plus sign and cars. It'll give me the results related to cars. Similarly, if I replace plus with minus, it'll give me all results related to Elon Musk excluding the results of cars. Another exciting way to search on Google is to use quotes. Google gives you the result based on the exact words and in order of the words inside quotes. If I type, "Life's a bitch," you have to go out and kick ass, and enclose it inside quotes, and press enter. Here you can see the results based on the exact order of the words, and it also gave me the name of the person who said those famous words. Now let's say you want to search for something that you remember a small part of, let's say a song that you heard somewhere but you don't remember the full name but a part of the name. For that, type the name of the song, and in the missing part type asterisk. This asterisk is known as the wildcard. Google will automatically replace the asterisk with any relevant word that it can find and give you the results. The simplest way to search using Google is by using keywords. For example, if want to search for a grocery shop, just type nearby followed grocery shop. Similarly, if you're looking for a gym nearby, just type nearby gym, it'll give you the locations and details of nearby gyms. Do note that for location type searches, keep your location on for accurate results. Google Image Search is an amazing way to search for things using images. For that, type Google Image Search. Now upload the image that you want to search for. It'll automatically give you the results related to that image. As you can see, it also recognizes the person in the image. And if you look here, it also gives you the same image in different sizes as well. I use this search on a daily basis whenever I'm searching for high-quality images for my projects. Doing a search within a particular site is very useful and a time-saving tip. Let's say I want to search for what BBC has written about global warming. In the search bar I would type global warming, followed by site, then a colon, and then bbc.com. Google will show you the results that include the pages from the relevant site regarding your searched term. Now if you want a broader result, say you're looking for only educational information, just type .edu at the end. Now let's say you lost your phone or can't find it. Don't worry, there is a built-in feature in Google. To use it, just type Find My Phone and open the first link. Now enter your Google account, make sure to use the account that you use on your lost phone. Mine is already entered, so it directly took me to the location page. Once you enter your Google account, it shows you the live location of the phone, which Wi-Fi it's connected to. It also shows the battery life. You can also play a loud sound to locate your phone if it's nearby. Google Easter eggs are one of my favorite features of Google. Let's say you're bored and looking to do something fun. You can type barrel roll and press enter. The whole page will do a barrel roll. Or you can type askew to tilt the whole page. If you read the definition, it says, not in a straight or level position. Or you can type blink HTML. Google will give you a page full of HTML blinks. If you scroll down, you can see that everything that says HTML or blink is blinking. Or search quick play games like roll a dice, metronome, play snake, flip a coin, you can play Pac-Man. The possibilities are endless. I'll do a complete video on Google Easter eggs in the future, where I'll cover famous and common Easter eggs. If you are a researcher, or a professor or student working on gathering data for your project, or just doing a random deep knowledgeable search, you'll love the Google Advanced Search. To do an advanced search, go to Google, open Settings on the top right, and choose the Advanced Search. Now you can do a detailed and precise search based on your desired topic. Okay, last and most important tip. Search InnovatorsCAVE on Google and click the YouTube link. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Most people don't know about such techniques, so do share the video with your friends and with your social circle as well. Thank you for watching.